and welcome to this short video on how you as a student will be able to navigate in Edmodo. Okay, so for example, here is a student called Imran, and he has already enrolled in my course EDM 40403 Geometry in Primary Mathematics. So once he signed in, as a new student, he will get this welcoming note from Edmodo, and he will definitely see lecture 1, week 1, lecture 1 posting, and this panel here is where he will see all the assignments for this week. Okay, now let's say he goes to this section here, click on show full post, and you'll be able to see the whole lecture for this week, the notes which is here, and then the links to the activities. So click on activity 1, so you will see activity 1. Okay, so this is activity 1, and we have seen that some of my students have already answered the questions. And then activity 2, and I've also put up some reading materials for assignment 1, and you can see here these are the assignment 1 reading materials. Now if you are ready to submit your reflection block link, for example here, or the other assignment which is assignment 1 video, now you have two options. Sorry about that, it's the ambulance. Okay, so you can either click on the link like this, and you'll be taken straight to where you're supposed to turn in your assignment. Okay, or the other option is click on this under the assignment center, click turn in, and you will be taken directly to where you're supposed to turn in. Now if you use this, okay, you can click on turn in as well, and you'll be taken to the same place. Okay, so what you see in this interface here in Edmodo is that there is some instruction given, and your status is not turned in yet. This is the due date, and okay, what you can do here is this is a space for you to type your response, or like for example, hi Miss Noor, here's my assignments link, for example. Sorry, reflection block link. Thank you. Smile. Okay, so what you do is you click on the link. If you are submitting a file, then you can submit a file. Now if you have already uploaded something in your backpack, which is sort of like a library, then you can just go to your backpack and submit that. So for example, this is a link, so click on the link, paste the link here. Okay, click on where the title is. Okay, so it will show the name, and then you attach. So you can see here that the link is already attached, and click turn in assignment. Okay, so this is what your lecturer will see, and the link here. Now if let's say there are things that you rectified in your video or your online submission or paper, you can always resubmit this assignment before the date due. Now your status has changed from not turned in just now to awaiting grade. Okay, let's go back to home. Okay, so this section here for reflection block week 1, in a few minutes it will state here awaiting grade. So once your lecturer has graded your work, it will change to graded. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, it has already changed to awaiting grade. So assignment 1, which is a video submission, so you have not turned it in, there's nothing here. Now another thing for students to do is, okay, click on this, go to settings, and go to email and text updates. Right, so update type is text, okay, or just select, and you just select notes, assignment, quizzes, direct messages, and replies to save updates. Okay. If you need to change your password, you can change your password. These are the applications, but you have to read the third-party application. And you can put in your primary email if you have not put in your primary email or your active email yet, and just check here and select your country. Okay, Malaysia. Where is Malaysia? Okay, it's here. All right. So you have to verify your password, and then you save your info. Okay, so I'll just leave it be. Next, click on profile, and you can see that this is your profile overview. Okay, how I like to learn. You can select your favorite way of learning. Okay, whether it's hands-on. So what is hands-on means? Listening, are you an auditory learner or you're a visual learner? So you select and choose. Let's say I select this student is a visual, so he selected a visual learner. So there it goes. A career goal, for example. Okay, so what do you want to be? Okay. For teachers, let's see, where is teachers? I have to scroll down. Carpenters, civil engineer, draft, electrician, computer, social studies, economist, human resource, politician, psychologist, urban planner. Okay, so I'm not sure where it is. Whether it's under science, chemist. So you can actually go through the list and choose your career goal. Alright, so here you can see your classmates. Okay, and this is where you track your progress. So if you are graded, then you will see your grade over here for the task or the assignment. And this is the activity post, whether you have posted anything, replied anything. For progress, you can see whether you received a badge, and so on and so forth. Now under progress, click on the course, and you will see each assignment, the date due. This is August 21st, this is August 26th. So what will be your marks? So it will be shown here. You can also check your progress in the taskbar. Click on the icon, click on the course name, and you will see this as well. Right, next what you need to do is to click on this, okay, and you are in your group for that particular course. Now I need you to go to group settings and look at group post visibility, where you need to check show in latest posts and check send email or SMS updates. So this will ensure that you get updates through your email, and make sure that your email is actually an active email, if possible that it is linked to your smartphone. Now, the best thing about Edmodo is that it has the feel, the look of Facebook, where students have um, the ability to actually post a question to the lecturer. For example, just click here. Okay, you can actually just delete this post after you have read it. Okay, right. So click here. You will see that this is actually you posting something. So for example, hi there, Miss Noor, I am a new student in your course. How do I get a copy of the of today's notes? Thank you. Okay. So once you've written something, click on send to, and you can see three of more than three if you enroll in more than one course. So this is you, and this is your lecturer, and this is your class. So you have the freedom to choose whichever to post this message to. But since it is only to me, then you choose your lecturer. Then click send. Okay. So I will receive this, and none of your classmates will be able to see it. Okay, one last feature that I want to share with you is the backpack. So when you click the backpack, you will see that this is the assignment that you have already turned in. You click on turn in, and you'll see that this is the assignment you already turned in. Now backpack items, you can add files and links to your backpack, and you can use them later. So let's say we want to upload files. Let's say we want to upload something from the documents. Let's see, sound recording. Oh, no sound recording here, sorry. Let's say downloads. Okay, so in downloads, let's say you want to put up something here. So click open, and you'll see that this is a PDF, and this blue line here, once it reaches the end, that means the file is uploaded totally into your backpack. Okay. Alright, so it's done, and click add. Okay, so once you click add, you will see that it will appear here, and we'll go back to home, for example, and if let's say you want to add the backpack, this PDF, attach, and okay, let's see, Miss Noor, here's the article I told you about. Okay, and click and send to your lecturer, and send. Click send. So you'll see that only your lecturer can see this, and you took it from the backpack, and it will still be at the backpack even after you have sent it to your lecturer. So that's the best thing about this. Okay, that's all. I hope that this video is helpful to new students using Edmodo. Bye.